Hey everybody, I'm Jennifer Turcott.
And I'm Marcus Parsley, and we're with IGL Coatings.
And we are here to talk to you about our glass cleaner. So this is going to be an ammonia-free, no VOC, water-based glass cleaner. And what I really like about this is that, for one, it has a nice smell to it.
It does.
Tell us how to use it, Marcus.
Simply spray it on, take your microfiber towel, clean it, flip your microfiber towel, make sure it's dry, and now streak-free.
And you and I both know that we definitely get paw prints, nose prints, and fingerprints.
Kitty prints, yes.
All over our vehicles. So this definitely helps get through that. And one really big thing that I like about it is that when you spray it on and you wipe it once, like Marcus was saying, you do kind of see a little bit of a film, but when you go over it again with a dry towel, it wipes right off. So you can actually see what areas that you're missing instead of going inside and outside the window, kind of trying to figure out, what spots that you missed. This is definitely one product that is always missing out of my detail bay, and I find it in the shop because everybody loves it, and I love it too. For more information on this product, go visit autogeek.com.